Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to change unit sizes in Total War Warhammer 3. So, to change the unit size, you need to go to Options, Graphics and then to Advanced. And here we have unit size. There are 4 types: small, medium, large and ultra. For me, always go for ultra. The only time when you want to switch to smaller scale is when your PC can handle it. So for example, if I want to switch to small applies changes, and now my next campaign will be on small unit size. But as I said, this change only applies to new campaigns, so you cannot change it on your current campaign. I hope this helped you, and I will see you later. Bye.